Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about the major challenges that faced during the time of independence. Today, we will learn about progress in economic sector. We have already learned how the British exploited India economically. Economic situation in free India was very miserable and the leaders seriously debated over the system to be adopted to improve Indian economy. Their discourses were concentrated on two economic systems. One is capitalist economy, the other is socialist economy. But after a series of discussions, leaders of India adopted mixed economy, which is a combination of both socialist and capitalist systems. It focused on public sector. The first government under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru adopted series of plans and schemes aiming at economic development of the country. The concept of economic planning was borrowed from the Soviet Union. Economic planning got impetus after the independence. The Planning Commission of India was formed under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1950. It devised many projects for economic progress. The Planning Commission adopted the 5-year plans aiming the economic growth of the nation. The 5-year plans started in 1951 helped India go ahead with the process of development. They also helped alleviate poverty, flourish agriculture and industrial sectors, improve education and generate new energy sources. We got assistance from foreign countries for our economic development. Major dams had a significant role in modernizing Indian economy. They were our primary sources for irrigation and electricity. Bakranangal project, the largest multi-purpose project in our country, is a pride of independent India. Irrigation facilities boosted agricultural production in India. On 2nd October 1952, marking the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the government started 55 projects aiming at better facilities for infrastructure, farming and livestock development. In 1990s, an explicit deviation occurred in Indian economy. It began to focus on private sector rather than public sector. Next, achievements in science and technology. India made great achievements in science and technology and established several research institutions for the development of science and technology. Some of them are Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and Indian Council of Medical Research. Two stalwarts of Indian science. Here, stalwarts means strong and a brave person. Homi Jahangir Bhava and S.N. Bhatnagar helped the projects of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. H.J. Bhava was the head of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Indian Atomic Energy Commission. Next, space research in India. Independent India conducted various space explorations and experiments. In 1962, Nehru, with the technical advice of Vikram Sarabhai, formed the Indian National Committee for Space Research. Following this in 1969, Indian Space Research Organization was established to lead space research. The first rocket launching station in India was established in Tumba near Tirunelveli. As a result of the collective efforts of India's space research experts, first satellite Aryabhatta was successfully launched in 1975. In addition to satellites, space vehicles and rocket launchers were also developed. There were several agencies that developed satellites in India now. They are National Remote Sensing Agency and Physical Research Laboratory. India has also advanced much in missile technology. Agni and Prithvi are the missiles developed by India. Dr. Raja Ramanna and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam led our experiments in the atomic energy sector. With the new space missions such as Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, India has entered a new era in space exploration. Chandrayaan, which began in 2008, is India's first lunar mission. Mangalyaan, a space mission of India to Mars, is the Indian-made space shuttle that covered the longest distance in space. India is all set to take on new experiments in space.